What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop, and today we're going to be discussing the 1909 penny. And if you didn't know, 1909 was the first year that the Lincoln cent was minted. Let's go ahead and get into this video. First and foremost, the two mints that were charged with striking the Lincoln cent were the Philadelphia Mint and the San Francisco Mint. So this was actually the Philadelphia coin, which has no mint mark. As you can see, it's very old and it has like some corrosion on it, a little bit of damage. But at the Philadelphia Mint, they actually made over 27 million of these. So obviously it's not low mintage and it's not really worth much either. But if you have a 1909 S, which stands for San Francisco Mint, that is where the money lies. So for the San Francisco Mint, they made 484,000 of these. Not 27 million, only 484,000. So that is very, very low mintage, and these can be worth a pretty penny. Let's go ahead and get into what they're actually worth. If you have a 1909 S with no VDB, and VDB are the initials of the designer, who is Victor David Brenner. His initials are on the bottom of quite a few of the 1909 San Francisco minted pennies. If you have a 1909 with no VDB or no S mint mark, then that is worth only about $1 to $5, unfortunately, especially depending on the condition. As you can see, this is probably only worth maybe $1 or $2. So if you have it with no S mint mark and no VDB on the back at the bottom, that's only worth a couple bucks. Now, if you have 1909 VDB with no S, which is the initials of Victor David Brenner, but there's no S on the front, then that is worth about $5 to $25, depending on the condition of the coin. So you have a little bit of money that you can get from that, but the real money lies in the next two that I'm going to mention. The 1909 S with no VDB sells for $50 and upwards of $200, guys. So if you have the 1909 S with no VDB, you can get up to $200 depending on the condition of your coin. That is also a very low mintage coin. Now, for the bread and butter, if you have the 1909 S with the VDB on the back at the bottom, that coin sells at the lowest, at the minimum of $1,000, guys. 1,000. That is a lot of money for a penny. And one actually sold not too long ago for $56,000 in mint condition. I actually put a slide in now of that sale, but if you have the 1909 S VDB, you have got a gem. So yes, guys, this coin, the first ever Lincoln cent coin, a very special coin. Hold on to it. It's a great collection piece, or to just make some good money off of. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.